Hello, today I'm at Yosemite. I'm up in the Tuolumne Meadows area, and I'm going to be taking a hike that goes to the Lembert Dome and Dog Lake. And I think it's about a 4-mile hike to do both sections. It's around 11:30 right now. It's about 45 degrees. I'll check the elevation, not sure. Probably over 8,000 feet. There's the Lembert Dome, and I checked we're about 8,600 feet for our starting point. Here we come to the trailhead information. Always warnings about the black bears and entering wilderness. And here we go. I am out on the trail myself this morning. Steve had to get back to work, and I took a couple more days for hiking. So this is a nice part, going through the woods here. Do hear jets overhead. This part is fairly steep and rocky. The trail goes up to the left of this Lembert Dome here, and here's a little peekaboo view of it. And there's occasionally other people on the trail. I'm stopping to catch my breath and looking back towards the road, and that's the way towards Tuolumne Meadow. Cool, fresh breeze. Now I've reached the intersection where I'd go to the right to go to Lembert Dome, and I think I'm going to do that on the way back. And if I keep going forward, hey, I did pretty well. It's only 0.3 to Dog Lake. And ironically, dogs are not allowed on the trails and cannot come up to Dog Lake. I'm gonna add my shout out here. I usually do it at the end, but my shout out today goes to Hiking with Braids, who I've watched some of her YouTube videos, and she encourages women to get out and be smart about it, but it's okay to hike on your own by yourself and kind of overcome those fears and other people's fears for you. And I go where other people go and not too far or too remote. And I just also want to encourage other women, to seize the day. Evidently, horses are allowed on the trail because we've seen a few road apples. So today's Thursday, September 19th, and when I was talking to one of the people at the store at Tuolumne Meadows, he said within a couple weeks it could be snowing up here, and they're closing the store by September 29th. Get them out of there before the snow starts piling up. Dog Lake. Peaceful and quiet. All right. Well, so far I've gone about 1.3 miles, and with stops and all, it was about 45 minutes. Now I'm going to be heading back down to that other junction and going up to the Lembert Dome. And there should be a really pretty view from there. One thing I was going to say is when I'm going uphill especially, I'll take my jacket off and layers off, and then when I get up here I don't want to get cold. So I put my jacket back on, which is especially nice to have here because it's kind of a crisp breeze up here. Real nice fresh air. Okay, hit another sign. I don't think I turn anywhere there. Keep going straight. Made my turn off to the dome. It'll be a mile. This part of the trail is nice and easy to walk on, and feels kind of like sand, dirt. Just kind of interesting. There's the top, and here's what we see. That's where we came up. So this is to the right. Dog Lake will be over there somewhere. This is looking almost exactly north. Came up to the dome from this direction. Here's the view looking northeast and east and southeast. I'm going to head a little closer to the top of the dome. This is as far as I'm going to make it since the wind picked up. Woo! And the snow. Woo! I could take a little video here, but I'm watching my feet where I'm going. The wind's picked up around the corner there. And snowflakes are flying. So I'm going to be working my way back down off this rock and then back to the trailhead. Here's the view looking the other way, kind of north. Bye, Lembert Dome. See you next time. Okay, I'm heading down. At this point, as far as hiking, I've been going an hour and a half and 2.3 miles. There's not too many snowflakes at the moment. Well, great hike. We're almost done. It's about just over 4.5 miles going to both locations. The sun is out. It's fairly nippy, and there's still a few snowflakes flying here and there. I don't even think it's the first day of fall yet. September 19th. Coming up to fall. Have a good one.